How to fix SIM card not showing on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue where your SIM cards are not being displayed, so first thing, if it's related to hardware issue, that means your SIM is not correctly attached. So first just head over to your SIM card and just insert it once again by removing any dust if available, and just insert it by putting in the correct position. So once you do all of that, so next thing what we want to do is just come back to your settings of your device and simply click on this connected devices or connections option over here. So once you're inside here, just try enabling the flight mode just like this, and once again just disable the flight mode just like that. And once you do all of that, see if it's working or not. As you can see in my case it's working. So if that's working for you, that's done. But if it's still not working for you, the last thing what you might want to do is, that is, if there is the issue which is being caused by the software regarding software update, then in that case just come over to your settings once again and scroll all the way down until you see the option called software update. Just tap on this and make sure to download and install any latest version of software if available. So once you do all of that, your issue should be fixed. So if it's still not fixing, in that case you must visit your nearest Android center or iOS center and tell them to fix about your issue. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.